Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see how to add data to QGIS interface. So in GIS there are mainly two types of data, raster data and vector data. So vector data are represented by point line and polygons, whereas raster data are represented by pixels. Any image in JPG format or JPG format are raster data. So let's see how to add this raster and vector data into QGIS interface. So now let's add a vector data and raster data into QGIS interface. So for that, first go to layer, add layer. I'm going to add a vector data first, so I'm going to click add vector data. Now choose the vector data from your computer. So you have to remember that vector data will be in SHP format, that is shapefile format. So desktop, a QGIS file, then from here I'm going to choose a shapefile. This is geology. Okay, then click open, add and close. You see this is the vector data. So now go to properties, double click on this shapefile layer and go to properties, and then symbology, or you can just right click and then go to properties and then go to symbology. Here is, you see, single symbol. Click on categorize, and then here value I'm going to choose, this is a geology shapefile, so I'm going to choose group. Okay, then click classify. See, there is one group Barile and there is another group, so click apply. Okay, so this is how we can add a shapefile layer. Again, I can go to this shapefile layer, and here I'm going to choose stratigraphy as a value in categorize category, and then click classify and apply. Okay, so this is how we can add a vector data into QGIS interface. Now let's remove this folder layer and add a raster data. For that, go to layer, add raster layer, and choose the raster file. I'm going to choose a DAM file. So add. Okay, so this is a raster file. So now go to properties, double click on this layer and go to properties, and choose single band pseudo color. Here I'm going to choose spectral is and then in mode choose equal interval, and classes I'm going to keep 5. Click on classify and then apply. Okay, so this is how we can add a raster layer. After that, we can do various other processing and image enhancement techniques and all. So I will make videos in the future about those things. I hope this video will help you, and if so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.